Happy birthday, Mommy May. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you. I love you so much. May give us burger, please. I want to eat McDonald's. The nuggets. May give me money. I want to eat McDonald's. To Papi house. We'll drive. Nah. Bye. Mommy, thank you. I love you so much. I will miss you. I will go to Japan tonight. I feel Bye. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.
Eating? Oh, you're show me your eating. Wow. Thank you. Nakita yung long nails? Why you cried last night?
I see the long there.
Long nails?
I'm scared.
That's why you cried. Huh?
I go to Mommy Joy.
Oh. Then you were crying, no?
I'm at Kelly.
You were scared.
He's scared.
No, iyan o. Hangos o, hinahamon yung mga umiinom. Play me, sabi ni Jendo. Don't try me.
Hey!
Oh.
The light!
No, ang yabang. Oh, no, just show me the... Wow! Oh. Yeah. Nako, oh, ang ganda. Oh, hook yan. Oh, nagpabili sa Daddy RJ niya sa palengke. Oh, ganda. Lahat kami hinamon mag-chess. Puro siya nananalo. Sabi pa niya, I'm hungry. I will eat you. Naku, panalo na si Kian. No? Panay ang kain, no? Oh, tignan natin kung sino mananalo. Naku, ala na. Check na. Oh, wala na. Panalo na si Kian.
My name is Kian Miguel Salazar. I am 4 years old. My birthday is September 1, 2017. And I live in Santa Ines, Bulacan. And my mommy is Jolena Marie Salazar. And my daddy is Michael Anthony Salazar. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you, Mom Joy. Thank you, Mom Joy. Thank you, Mom Joy. Thank you. Honor yung president ng mga May, Papani, Amandero, Amani. Oh.